On this video I'm gonna show you 5 easy tips for boost your PC and getting more FPS in game. First step is for delete cache and free some space on your local disk C, hold Win button and press R. Type prefetch. Select all. And delete. Hold Win button and press R, type temp. Select all. And delete. Hold Win button and press R. Type %temp%. Select all. And delete. Second step is, go to search. Type power and sleep settings. Scroll down and press additional power settings. Press high performance. Third step is, go to search. Type background apps. You can disable all, or disable those apps who you don't want to run in background. Fourth step is, go to search, type notification and action settings. You can disable those apps who you don't want to get notifications, or you can disable all. And finally, fifth and final step, press and hold Ctrl plus Alt plus Delete buttons, go to Startup button, and disable those apps who you don't want to start when your PC is starting. And you are done. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe.